Okay, we've got our first part ready, and now we have to establish our second part. We'll worry about this group of hair later, but we want to get our underlying braids started. So we're going to go ahead and make it a decent width, almost an inch, right about. And make sure you separate all of that hair. And try to ensure that you're going at the same angle as your first part. After we get it parted, we can always go back and check, but you want to try to go ahead and establish a nice straight line. Nice even portions on each side of the head. Let's see. And try to work it down, and let's see where this is ending up in relation to our bottom braids. Okay, that's really close to that part right there, but it's not going to make it, I don't think. If we pull this hair up, we can see where it is in relation, and you can tell that this is kind of bowing out, so it does need to meet up right here. So we can take our comb and work backwards up to the top where we started. Just a little bit more. And there we go. We're going to tie this off, and then we'll be ready to do our underlying braid for our crisscross.